Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the class. Students, today we will discuss about the explanation of nodes of organization in living things. It is chapter number first of class 7th biology. The first one is fill in the blanks. You know that meristematic tissue, it has cells that divides rapidly and continuously, and xylem parenchyma is only living component of xylem, another are non-living component. Next one is xylem. It helps in conduction of water from roots to different part of shoot, and phloem is responsible for the transportation of food in plant. Next one is thrombocytes, primarily aid in blood clotting. It is also known as platelets. The ligament, it connects bone to bone, and adipose tissue, it stores the fat and insulates the body against heat loss. And the cell of ciliated epithelium have hair-like outgrowth that is called the cilia, and the production of blood cells occurs in bone marrow of long bones. Next one is choose the correct options. Here the term tissue that was given by Biket, and which of the following statement given below is correct about meristematic tissue. So your answer will be that it is made up of cells that are capable of division. And next one is which of the following tissue are composed of mainly dead cells. You will say that none of these. And the tendons, they connect the here tendons and ligament, both are dense connective tissues, and cardiac muscle fibers, they are all of these here. Next one is cylindrical muscle fibers which showed alternate light and dark bands are striated muscles. Next one is ligament, it connects bone with bone, and tendon, it connects bone with muscles. Tendon, it connects bone with muscles. Next one is fluid part of blood after removal of capsules is plasma, and largest blood cells are monocytes. Next one is fill in the blanks. Water and minerals are conducted by xylem in plant, and the higher plant food is conducted by phloem. Xylem consists of tracheids, vessels, parenchyma and fibers. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. Bone consists of osteoblast cells. Cartilage consists of chondrichthyes cells, and fibers are absent in blood. It is very important. A nerve impulse passes from one neuron to another neuron across a synapse, and cuboidal epithelium occurs in the lining of renal tubules and duct of salivary glands. Tendon, it connects the muscles with bone, and adipose tissue regulates body temperature. Next one is true false. So here first one is true, and in second, lateral meristem are found beneath the bark and it vascular bundles of dicot, roots and stems, so it is false. Here the main function of parenchyma is to store and assimilate food, it is true. Next one is here now next, the main function of parenchyma is to store and assimilate the food, and collenchyma is a mechanical tissue in young dicotyledons stems and provides mechanical support and elasticity. Here this one is also true, and except xylem parenchyma, all the other xylem elements are dead and bounded by thick lignified wall. It is also true, and cardiac muscles are present in the wall of heart. It is also true. Now leukocyte protects us from foreign bodies, it is false. And lymph is colorless fluid that is filtered out the blood capillaries, it is also true. Next one is identify the blood cells. So here you can identify the given blood cells: eosinophils, this one is neutrophil, this one is lymphocyte and basophils, and monocytes, it is the largest blood cells, and erythrocytes and platelets. Now next question is, this one is level diagram of neurons you are seeing here. This one is level diagram of neurons. Given figures are cardiac muscles and skeletal muscles and smooth muscles. Here application based questions. What will happen if bone is dipped in hydrochloric acid? So it will start to dissolve here. And what will happen if apical meristem is damaged? Then growth of plant will stop. And next one is cork is not formed in older stem and roots. The stem and roots would be subjected to dehydration because the cork being here, this cork being water soluble. Here lymph is not returned to blood because it would be accumulated in the nearby tissues and consuming them to swell. Students, next thing is puzzle, the elastic structure which connects bone to bone, that is called the ligament, and the colored fluid, here colorless fluid, that is called lymph, which is present into here like the blood it is found. And types of tissues that are divided on the basis of location, here that is meristematic tissue, and here provides mechanical support, that is collenchyma, and these are the dead cells that are called the sclerenchyma. It is called study of tissue, that is histology. It is sufficient for today, and remaining portion of this chapter we will discuss in our next video. Till then, thank you.